Feeling bloated, sluggish, or mentally drained? It's not your imagination. Your body might be crying out for a reset. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7-day detox plan that actually resets your body, backed by real science and designed to help you flush out toxins, rejuvenate your energy, and get your metabolism firing again. Forget fad cleanses and extreme diets. This plan works with your body, not against it. Each day has a specific purpose, from cleansing your liver to recharging your gut microbiome, and by the end of the week, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and re-energized. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and join me as we uncover how just 7 days of intentional choices can completely transform the way you look, feel, and function from the inside out. 1. Day 1. The Hydration Awakening. Your detox journey begins with the simplest yet most powerful element, water. After weeks or months of processed foods, caffeine, and late nights, your body's cells are dehydrated and sluggish. Drinking enough water is the foundation of flushing toxins and rebooting your internal systems. Start your morning with a tall glass of warm water and lemon to stimulate digestion and liver activity. Aim for at least 3 liters throughout the day, adding cucumber, mint, or lime for natural electrolytes. Hydration activates your lymphatic system, the body's natural waste disposal network, and helps eliminate built-up toxins. Within hours, you'll notice clearer skin, lighter digestion, and improved focus. This simple shift jumpstarts your metabolism and sets the stage for every detox process that follows. 2. Day 2. The Gut Cleanse. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that determine how efficiently your body digests, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste. On day 2, the goal is to restore balance in your microbiome and reduce inflammation. Start by removing processed foods, dairy, and added sugars. These feed harmful bacteria that slow detoxification. Replace them with fiber-rich vegetables, chia seeds, and fermented foods like kimchi or yogurt to feed beneficial microbes. Drinking a glass of water with apple cider vinegar before meals can enhance stomach acid and improve digestion. This is the day you'll feel your bloating start to decrease as your gut recalibrates. The cleaner your gut, the faster your detox works because waste leaves the body efficiently. 3. Day 3. The Liver Reboot. Your liver is your body's chemical processing plant, responsible for neutralizing toxins and converting them into waste. Day 3 focuses on supporting this overworked organ with the nutrients it needs. Include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage, which help activate detox enzymes in the liver. Add turmeric, garlic, and green tea, natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant boosters that enhance liver function. Avoid alcohol and fried foods, as they burden the liver further. Drink herbal teas like dandelion or milk thistle to encourage bile flow, which helps expel toxins more efficiently. By the end of the day, your digestion will feel lighter, your skin may appear brighter, and your energy more stable. 4. Day 4. The Sweat and Circulation Boost. Your skin is your largest detox organ, and sweating is one of the most effective ways to release toxins trapped in fat cells. On day 4, focus on movement, not extreme workouts, but steady activity that makes you perspire. This can include brisk walking, yoga, or even a sauna session. Increased circulation delivers more oxygen to your organs while pushing out impurities through sweat. After exercise, take a cool shower to stimulate blood flow and lymph drainage. Dry brushing before bathing can further exfoliate and stimulate your skin's detox pathways. You may feel an energy surge as your body begins to balance itself. 5. Day 5. The Nutrient Recharge. By now, your body has begun to flush out waste and regain rhythm. Day 5 is about refueling with high-quality nutrients to repair and strengthen cells. Focus on colorful fruits and vegetables that deliver antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to support brain and hormone health. Smoothies packed with spinach, berries, and flaxseed provide fiber and hydration in one go. This is also a great day to add a mineral-rich bone broth or plant-based soup to soothe digestion. The goal isn't just to eat light, it's to eat smart. You'll notice your energy levels rise, your mental clarity sharpen, and your cravings fade away. 6. Day 6. The mind-body alignment. Detox isn't just physical, your mind plays a huge role in healing. On day 6, shift your focus to mental clarity and emotional release. Engage in mindfulness activities like journaling, meditation, or deep breathing to calm your nervous system. Stress produces cortisol, which can slow detox processes and encourage fat storage. When you relax, your body diverts energy back to digestion, repair, and rejuvenation. Avoid digital overload by limiting screen time and spending moments in silence or nature. This mental detox clears out emotional toxins that often manifest as physical fatigue or cravings. As you align your mind with your body, you'll find your entire system feels lighter and more in sync. 7. Day 7. The cellular renewal. The final day is all about restoration. After 6 days of cleansing, your cells are primed to regenerate. Focus on gentle nourishment-like meals, herbal teas, and plenty of rest. Try intermittent fasting for 12 to 14 hours overnight to allow your body to enter autophagy, a natural process where damaged cells are broken down and replaced. Include green leafy vegetables and adaptogens like ashwagandha to support cellular health and hormone balance. Spend time reflecting on your progress and how your body feels compared to day 1. Your energy will feel steadier, your digestion smoother, and your mind clearer. This is not the end of your detox journey, but the start of a cleaner, stronger way of living. 8. The post-detox lifestyle. Once your 7 days are complete, your body will be craving balance, not extremes. The post-detox phase is where real transformation happens. Gradually reintroduce whole grains, lean proteins, and small indulgences in moderation. Keep your hydration and sleep routines consistent. Avoid slipping back into old habits that caused fatigue or bloating in the first place. Maintaining one detox-friendly meal per day like a smoothie or salad helps extend your results. Remember, detoxing isn't a one-time event. It's a rhythm your body can revisit every few months. When you treat your health as a lifestyle rather than a phase, your energy, focus, and mood remain elevated long-term. 9. The importance of sleep recovery. Detoxing isn't effective without proper sleep. During deep rest, your brain's lymphatic system clears out waste and toxins from neural pathways. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep to allow your organs to repair and your hormones to stabilize. Create a calm nighttime ritual, dim lights, herbal tea, and no screens 30 minutes before bed. As you sleep, your liver, kidneys, and cells perform crucial detox tasks that you can't replicate while awake. Poor sleep can undo the benefits of your entire detox week, while quality sleep enhances every aspect of it. Treat your bedtime as sacred recovery time, because that's when the true healing magic unfolds. 10. The power of continuing momentum. After your 7-day detox, momentum is everything. This is when you turn results into lasting change. Don't stop the habits that made you feel amazing, expand them. Continue drinking more water, eating clean, and finding time for mental stillness. Revisit your goals and track how your body feels week by week. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, because that keeps motivation alive. You've proven that transformation can happen in just 1 week. Imagine what's possible in 1 month or a year. Let your detox be the foundation for lifelong vitality. Remember, consistency beats perfection every time. Keep your body moving, your mind grounded, and your energy aligned with health. And that's your complete 7-day detox plan that actually resets your body a step-by-step path to cleansing, renewing, and rebuilding from the inside out. By following these 7 days, you've done more than just detox. You've given your body the tools to heal naturally and function at its best. Remember, this isn't about restriction or punishment, it's about reconnection. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who needs a body reset, and hit that subscribe button for more science-based wellness tips and transformation guides. Stay consistent, stay mindful, and keep your journey strong, because your healthiest, most vibrant self starts with just one intentional week.